giving you your trade at $5,000. We love it. We want to buy it. Okay, we're going to give you $5,000 for your trade. Rebates, $1,000. So that brings your out-the-door price to only $24,5460. Okay. Now we have it in multiple different payment options for you. Okay. So at 48 months, putting $5,000 down, because most lenders like to see close to 20% investment initially on the vehicle. So with $5,000 down, at 48 months, your payments are between $484 and $502. Okay, now the benefit of the 48 months, because a lot of our customers, they want to get that title in their hand as quickly as possible. So what we've done, we've incorporated something similar to what the mortgage industry does. You know, in the mortgage industry right now, rates are at an all-time low. So people are taking advantage of it and refinancing. The thing about them refinancing is that they're getting lower rates, but they're walking out of there with their payments exactly the same. Why is that? Because if by maintaining the same payments with the lower rate, they can pay the house off quicker, they can build equity in it faster, and they get a free and clear deed a lot sooner. The same thing that we're making available to you, okay? So at 48 months, you can pay that vehicle off quickly as possible, you can build equity in it much faster, and you can have that title in your hand free and clear a lot sooner, okay? So, and also you have a savings, which I'll share with you later, choosing 48 months over any other options. A significant savings there. Now at 72 months, okay, with $5,000 down, your payments are between $353 and $371, significantly less than at 48 months, and a lot more flexible because there's no prepayment penalty, which means that you can also take advantage of the same benefits that 48 months offer. You can pay it off sooner, build equity faster, get that title free and clear a lot faster. Okay, but your only obligation between $353 and $371, so that's really up to you. Now, the 60-month option we have right here, most of our customers consider that to be the best of both worlds. Why? Because it's a little bit more than 48 months, significantly less than the 72 months, but you still enjoy the same exact benefits because you can pay it off sooner, build equity faster, and get that title free and clear a lot quicker. Now your payments there are between $405 and $424. You also have a significant savings if by choosing that 60-month option, which I'll share with you here in a little bit. Okay, so based on those three options, which one of those work best for you? I just need you to circle and initial which one you want works best for you, and I'll go ahead and get our detail department, get it cleaned up.
I would like to have more trade allowance.
And we're offering you, we're giving you $5,000 for your trade right now. And you saw it was how much?
$6,000.
$6,000? Okay, you know what, Jeff, I totally understand that. You know, if it was my trade and someone told me I could get $6,000 for it, and someone else was offering me $5,000 for it, you know what I want? I want $6,000 for it. And you said you went on Kelley Blue Book, right?
Kelley Blue Book.
Totally understand that. You're not one of the first people to ever come in here going on Kelley Blue Book, looking, you know, looking for what type of value you get for your vehicle and going off that. But let me share with you something about Kelley Blue Book that you probably already know. Kelley Blue Book is owned by Auto Trader, okay? And Auto Trader buys and sells vehicles. Now, the way Kelley Blue Book makes their money is through advertising, because they have a ton of people that flood the site trying to learn the best value of their vehicle, arming themselves before they come into a dealership. I totally get it. But the one thing that most people don't know is that they're also willing to buy your vehicle. So what I'd like for us to do, I want to pull up Kelley Blue Book, and I want to see what Kelley Blue Book would be willing to pay for your vehicle. I know they told you what we should offer you, but let's see what they'd be willing to offer you. And the only thing I ask, Jeff, is that we agree on three things. Number one is that if we check out Kelley Blue Book and what they're offering is much higher than what we're offering, man, I'll take you to go get the check myself, okay? Because it benefits us. The quicker you can sell this vehicle, the quicker you come back in here and you're riding out with that F-150. All right. Number two is that if we look at it and we're off maybe just $100, $200 either which direction, I'll make it right. And the third is that we look at Kelley Blue Book and what they're offering is much less than what we're offering, we'll just agree that this is a good deal. Fair enough?
That's fair.
Fair enough. All right. Then at that time, we go to Kelley Blue Book, type it in, and this is where all of the questions that you asked during the trade walk come into play. Do they have 2 sets of keys? Do they have the service maintenance records? We've looked at any of the scratches and dents. Do they have an additional warranty to take care of any of the body bumps, dents, and things like that that are on the vehicle, okay? And by going through that, when we go through Kelley Blue Book, it's also going to ask them those same exact questions. And what will come out typically is that it's going to be much less than what the person expected it should be, and it'll be significantly less probably than what it is that we're offering, which is why we wanted to agree on that good deal. Okay, so remember